Hello guys, in this video tutorial we will tell you how to add the order form feature to your app. With the order form feature, you can allow your users to place orders ranging from groceries, fruits, vegetables, medicines, to other essentials with a preset or customizable form format and accept payments online. Now let's add the order form feature to your app. Click on Edit, and in the My Futures section, click on View All and search Orderform. Click on the feature to add it to your app. This is your future name. If you want, you can change it as per your needs. From here, you can change the feature icon. If you want, you can select a solid icon or outline icon or an image from our library or upload your own custom icon. You can even upload 2 different images for the mobile app and website. Now let's move to the content section. Enter the email ID to which you want the order's details to be sent. If you want, you can add multiple email IDs by clicking the Add More button or click on the trash can icon to delete the email ID. Next, enter the contact number here to which the order details will be sent. Click on Add More to add multiple contact number fields. If you want, you can delete the contact number field by clicking the trash can icon. Enter the description and upload the header image here. You can check the added description and header image on the simulation screen. Now let's move to the additional fields section. Here you can customize the form fields in addition to the preset form fields. The app users will need to fill the defined form fields on the app to place the order. Here you can see the active field, field type, field name, hint icon, and mandatory field icon. The first field type is name, which is active and mandatory. Similarly, the field types including the email, phone, address, and order are active and mandatory. If you want, you can change the field name for the particular field type and also include the hint if needed. Once you add a hint, a question mark icon will be displayed against the particular field where the hint is added. You can also add a new field type. Click the Add Field button to add a new field. You can define the field type from the drop-down menu, such as name, radio, checkbox, email, etc., along with a field name, and make them active or mandatory as per your choice. Click on the trash can icon to delete the added field. Now let's change the layout and color scheme of the order form feature. Click on this color palette icon to change the page style and color scheme. Click on the background icon and select an image for the page background. If you want, you can select an image from our library or solid color or upload your own custom background image. Next, select your desired layout from the options. Now coming to the advanced style and navigation section, here you can set the page elements, color, font size, and indent. You can hide the borders and resize the submit button by tick marking the respective checkboxes. Once you're done, click on save and continue. Now let's go back to my app's backend to manage order form settings and the orders placed by users. Click on the order form feature and you'll be redirected to the order form dashboard. Here you can check all the orders placed by the customers. You can also track and manage the existing as well as the new orders. You can search the particular order ID from the search box or filter the orders by date or order status. From here, you can check the order date, order ID, customer name, and order status. Now click on the plus icon to view the order details such as the customer's billing address, order details, and payment details. You can also copy and print the billing address and the order details if you want. From here, you can check the amount to be collected and the payment status. You can send an invoice email to the user by clicking the Send Invoice Email button. If you have uploaded an invoice, then you can click on the Download Invoice button to download the invoice. You can check and change the order status from here. Under the Action column, you can request money and view order details. Click on Request Money and enter the amount to be collected from the customer in the Amount field. You can also upload an invoice to request compensation for the order items. You can also check the complete order details by clicking the View Order Detail button. Now click on Settings. The Settings section is categorized into General Settings, payment settings, and language settings. First, let's check the general settings. Here you can view your email address, contact number, description, and header image added while setting up the order form. If you want to change these details, you can go to the Creator, Software, or Edit section. From here, you can select the currency. Please note, depending on the currency selected, the payment methods will auto-set in the payment settings. You can define the prefix for the order ID in this field. All the order IDs will be displayed with the prefix defined here. Enter the account SID, authorization token, and number in the respective fields to enable SMS service. You can refer to our tutorial to obtain account SID and authorization token. From here, you can enable or disable the toggle buttons to allow the admin and user to receive updates through SMS. Once done, click on Save. Now let's move to the payments settings. Here you can set up different payment methods based on the currency selected to accept payment from the app users. Once you selected the payment option, click on Save. Now coming to the language settings. Here you will see all the default text currently being displayed on your app. If you want, you can change the default text from here. Once you have updated the language settings, click on Save. That's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates as soon as they are live.